these Haitian police officers head out in their armoured vehicle, already riddled with bullet marks.
Nous sommes tout près du parc national au cœur du champ de Mars. Le centre-ville est entouré par les forces armées.
Most of the time, their enemy, the gangs, are invisible, hidden in the ruins.
Neuf là, on va se virer. Neuf là. Ok. Là. Ça dit pas que la caille. Le caille ça est tout comme cachette. On fait tout pour fouiller canon seulement.
Not long afterwards, the police vehicle is hit by incoming fire.
Ok.
T'allez.
Comme là.
Yo, Teriel. Parlez chez Salou, yo, dans des Teriel. Parlez chez Salou, yo.
In this video, we take a look at this strong message that was sent to the president of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, by the gang leader in Haiti, known as Barbecue. Now, we all knew that Haiti is battling these gangs and there is this civil war happening in the country of Haiti. And in an agreement, the government of Kenya sent troops to Haiti in order to help solve this problem. Also, the government of Jamaica sent troops to Haiti in order to help beef up the security muscles of the Kenyan soldiers as well as the Haitian soldiers in order to combat these gang operations in Haiti. Now, right after Jamaican troops joined the other soldiers in Haiti, they were able to help assist, and the hideout of the gang leader was tear-gassed, and as a result of that, he has come out to send this strong warning to the government of Jamaica and also the government of Kenya. And I believe that you would enjoy this series. Let's watch the videos together, so that we'll come back here and discuss more about this. But before we watch the videos, if you haven't yet liked this video, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the videos together.
Battle-weary but determined, these Haitian police officers head out in their armoured vehicle, already riddled with bullet marks.
Nous sommes tout près du parc national au cœur du champ de Mars. Le centre-ville est entouré par les forces armées.
Most of the time, their enemy, the gangs, are invisible, hidden in the ruins.
Neuf là, on va se virer. Neuf là. Ok. Là. Ça dit pas que la caille. Le caille ça est tout comme cachette. On fait tout pour fouiller canon seulement.
Not long afterwards, the police vehicle is hit by incoming fire.
Ok.
T'allez.
Comme là.
Yo, Teriel. Parlez chez Salou, yo, dans des Teriel. Parlez chez Salou, yo. Gaz, yo, même là, il était gaz. Mais ça m'a fait pour filmer avant, c'était gaz ça mauvais. Ouais, j'aime. Gaz, ouais, ne m'a fait la rime, t'étais, ouais, regardez m'boué. Ouais, je m'en bats de l'eau. Ouais, t'étais. Teriel, parlez ça qu'on a à bouche dans des. Ça qui vivent ensemble dans les tétés. N'a pas je m'en tout vivre ensemble, non? Il y a pas opération dans base, gain pas gagner. Il a attaqué l'homme sans jour pour contre lui, il a attaqué pour contre moi, il a attaqué Gressier, il a attaqué toute base. Est-ce qu'on a ouais, toute base pour lever ensemble? Tété. Fallait qu'on a goumé. Hein? Tété, ouais, monte vidéo. Dans Gaza, on se prend là. On pays difficile, on compte men à bail. On s'est lié, tété. Paul Boucané! Pour le boucaner, toujours tandem. Pour le boucaner, pas jamais pas tandem. Bah, on t'a doté, mon cher, bah, il m'a son chien saloué, mon plus beau qui m'a vendu. On fait une analyse quand même. Mon chien saloué, on fait une analyse. Mais moi, on n'a pas bon même, ok? Nous, ça l'est déjà, mais grand monde, non. Ok, tété. Boy, on voit ces vidéos, ça va toujours.
Opposite them, gangs who thrived off kidnappings, extortion and smuggling. They used to battle for territory, but in recent months they've united forces to take on the police and the state. The spokesman of the Gangs Alliance is this former police officer accused of involvement in massacres. Jimmy Cherizier, aka Barbecue, is reputed to have burned his victims alive. As a gang spokesman, he oscillates between talk of revolution and threats. He vows there'll be no peace without some kind of unspecified deal which includes gangs.
Aujourd'hui, pour quantité d'armes qui gagnent dans le pays, pas un sérieux un gouvernement qui a fait si ou pas une entente avec le groupe armé. Quelle était force multinationale, quelle était n'importe force étrangère qui vient dans le pays. C'est un génocide de la vie.
Mass displacement, assassinations, police stations attacked and burned down. More than 80% of Haiti's capital is today controlled by gangs. Most of the time they're stuck inside their armoured vehicles. And one officer tells us they consider anyone in sight here as a potential bandit.
Des zones clés occupées par les gangs, c'est vraiment difficile, presque impossible pour qu'il y ait un civil. D'ailleurs, presque tout le monde s'est enfui chez eux. Donc on n'a pas besoin de voir s'ils sont armés ou pas. On frappe, tout simplement.
In the gang's wake, follow the looters. Even Haiti's main hospital has been ransacked. Nearby, we find a handful of residents who, incredibly, refuse to flee.
Regardez mon pays là. Regardez la capitale de mon pays, Haïti. C'est quoi ça? C'est une grande histoire. C'est quoi ça? Ah là 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 là.
They're worried by the police vehicle at the end of the street. This man hoped to cross through the neighborhood to be able to sell some bread. But now he's stuck.
Tous les jours comme ça. Tous les jours comme ça.
But who is Barbecue, and how did he get so powerful? Powerful enough to cook up a civil war? Well, Barbecue is no ordinary fire starter. He was once on the other side of the divide. He was once a police officer, but he was fired in 2018 over his alleged involvement in extrajudicial killings. There was the Grande Ravine massacre in 2017, where more than 9 people were killed by the Haitian police. Then, in November 2018, another massacre took place, the La Saline massacre. 71 people were killed. 400 houses were burned down. Barbecue was apparently involved in both incidents. And a month after La Saline, he was kicked out of the force. Barbecue even faced US sanctions over the bloodbath. But that did nothing to stop his rise. After getting fired, Barbecue joined Haiti's gangs. He currently leads a coalition of gangs in Haiti called the G9 Family and Allies. This group has been wreaking havoc for years without any punishment. Initially, it was because Barbecue had support from the top. Barbecue was allegedly working for Haiti's former president, Jovenel Moïse. He became the president's unofficial enforcer, enforcing order in the streets of Port-au-Prince and rounding up people to vote for his patron. But then, Moïse was assassinated in 2021. In his place came Ariel Henry. Henry became prime minister and acting president. He was put there by an international coalition to bring back order to Haiti, but he could not manage that alone. 2 weeks ago, Henry went to Kenya. This was to sign a deal that would have allowed the Kenyan police to lead an international force in Haiti. This force could have finally countered Barbecue and his boys. So it had to be stopped. When Henry left, Barbecue began his coup, and everything seems to have gone according to plan. So what's next for Barbecue?
We demand that the choice of the person who is going to lead this country we live in will be made by the Haitian people. We want to make sure the person who is going to lead this country's wife and children live in Haiti. We want to make sure the people who are going to be ministers in this government, their wives and their children live in the country.
Basically, Barbecue wants to rule, either directly or by holding the families of the next leaders hostage.
Welcome back. So the country of Haiti has been battling these gang attacks for some time now, and then the country of Kenya sent out troops in order to help the soldiers in Haiti combat the activities of the gang in Haiti. Also, Jamaica sent its troop to also beef up the security and battle these Haitian gangs. So right after Jamaica had sent its troop to Haiti in order to help the other soldiers who were already in Haiti, that is soldiers from Kenya and then the Haitian soldiers, they were able to help successfully tear gas the hideout of the gang leader, who is by the name Barbecue. And right after his hideout was tear gassed, he came out with this stern warning to the country of Jamaica as well as the country of Kenya. I believe that the presence of these two countries, that the soldiers from these two countries, is helping the Haiti soldiers to combat these gang operations that has been in the country of Haiti for a while. I learned that the capital of Haiti, majority of the town has been taken over by these gang operations. Now the gang leader, known as Barbecue, was said to be a police officer who was expelled from the service. So I believe he has been able to learn a lot of security tactics, and that is why it is quite difficult for the soldiers to combat him, because he knows how the operation of these security forces are. So it is quite difficult to counter his attacks. But I believe that these soldiers are doing incredibly well in order to help bring the situation under control. Now, these gangs normally hide in the abandoned houses in Haiti, and they are able to pounce on unsuspecting victims. But I believe that the police and the military have really done a very good job up until now. Now, war is something that is not desirable because it does not bring about development. It actually steals the country from developing. And this is not something that all of us wish to have in our countries. So I believe that the presence of these security forces would be able to combat these gang operations in the country of Haiti and bring the situation under control so that the country can begin to rebuild itself again, because there are lots of things that has been lost through this gang operations. I believe properties and lives have been lost. If you look at buildings over there, that has been completely burnt down. Cars that has completely been burnt down. It will be very difficult for the country to revive itself again. But I believe that soldiers are really doing a very good job in order to help restore order in the country of Haiti. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. What do you think is fueling the anger of these gang leaders? Will the government be able to liaise with these gang leaders for this thing to be solved peacefully? Or will the soldiers be able to combat these gang operations so that they bring the situation under control? Let me know what you think about all these questions in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just look at the subscribe button down here, click on the subscribe button, click as well on the notification bell, and I'd like to see you again in my next video.